Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to apply gradient fill in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. First we will open our Microsoft Word document and we create a new page. Now we create a shape. Go to the insert menu and click shape option, then choose a shape and create it. Now automatically go to the format option, then go to the shape fill and click the gradient color, then we click gradients, then click gradient fill. Now we create a gradient color in this panel. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.